And now, a special weather update from your public access station.
Well, many schools were closed earlier this week, and it looks like more school closings are to come after at least two more nor'easters that I'm watching impact the Cape. One of them, plowable snowfall late Thursday night, early Friday morning, could be a significant winter storm for our area, behind which we have plowable snow coming in. Near record cold for Friday into Saturday, and then after that, yes, another storm I'm watching for the weekend, so make room because more snow is on the way. First things first though, high temperatures today. It says Monday, but it should say Tuesday. Either side of the 32-degree mark, flirting with freezing for much of the inland areas. Once we get out to the Cape and the Islands, generally 36 degrees for much of the area, 36 in Truro, 35 in Brewster, and 34 in Provincetown. Overnight though, temperatures will bottom out in the upper teens for inland areas to lower 20s for the Cape, 21 degrees in Bourne, 23 out in Hyannis. So your forecast for today then, calling for pretty much morning flurries and then squinting in the afternoon. Very bright sunshine reflecting off the snow. 32 degrees for your high, and then late tonight, 27 degrees beginning and then cooling off later in the evening. And then tomorrow, 27 degrees for your high temperature, and there will be a few flurries around, but nothing too major. Then we turn our attention to Thursday, because that's the big system. We have a very amplified jet stream, meaning it's very wavy, and we see it almost backtracks in the northeastern United States. That is key to this forecast because we have moisture moving up the coast, interacting with the low pressure system, and you get the idea. A very intense nor'easter off the eastern U.S. seaboard as according to the United States model. So taking an eye on the storm, we have some major impacts likely with the storm in terms of snowfall. Heaviest inside of 495 will be a primarily coastal storm, meaning coastal communities will see the most snow. I am forecasting temperatures cold enough for snow for much of the area, winds gusting to 45 miles an hour, but that's not the only impact because we'll have reduced visibilities, coastal concerns, as well as dropping temperatures behind the storm. So in terms of the snowfall, I'm estimating generally looking like this: 9 to 12 inches for the majority of the Cape, as well as inland areas, 6 to 10 once we get to the outer Cape, and 2 to 5 for the islands, dropping off in western Massachusetts as well, so that stretch of heavier snow. And you notice I put a plus sign there because I'm believing that we could see more than a foot in many locations. Of course, disregard these are predictions from the last storm, but again, I wouldn't be surprised to see many of them match with what we have coming up next. And behind that, very cold chart of Arctic air, very, very cold, some of the coldest air we've seen in years. And because of that, late Friday night into early Saturday morning, we could see temperatures either side of 0 degrees, dropping into the negatives from many locations. I'd say from Falmouth up to Woods Hole and down to southeastern Massachusetts. Coldest we've seen in years could be record-breaking, and with that, wind chills will drop to 15 to 20 below zero. And then we have another system in watching Saturday into Sunday. The best chance of significant snow will again be close to the coast, right along the 95 corridor. That could bring 6 inches or more of snow. And then for your school cancellation probabilities Thursday, I'd say a 60% chance Thursday night into Friday, so Friday being the best time for this area for a school cancellation. And check it out over the next 7 days. Unfortunately, not too much in the way of improvement. You can see behind this we have a shot of very cold air coming in late Friday into early Saturday. That sets the stage for the next nor'easter on Saturday night into Sunday. Nothing locked in stone at this point, but it could be something significant. And then behind that, Monday, return to more normal conditions, but I am beginning to see signs of a much more active weather pattern, even than what we already have coming in towards the end of the week next week. So again, we really don't have too much of a break here, just enjoy storm after storm. Hopefully some of the kids can get outside and enjoy some money shoveling. Aside from that, it looks like we're going to be stuck in a very active weather pattern for a while. That's my latest forecast. I'll keep you updated as need be.
This has been a special weather update from Public Access Television.